What are those smart gadgets that you must have in your house? In this video, we present you must-have smart gadgets that you must want to see. The first one on the list is View Doorbell. View Doorbell is marketing their doorbell as world's smartest doorbell. This smart doorbell has some amazing features like motion detection. View automatically detects motion and can be set to take a snapshot and send an alert to your phone. It can also be set to take a snapshot or start recording a video when motion is detected. The lens on the View gives a 180-degree of view of your porch, making sure you won't miss any visitors. It transforms the standard peephole into a video doorbell, so it is impossible for intruders to see inside from the outside. Using the two-way audio, you can speak directly to whomever is at your door right in the app even you are not in the home. So you don't need to worry, you can talk to stranger from anywhere with just a click. So how it streams the video to your phone? The View uses home Wi-Fi connection to stream video to your device, making the connection safe and secure. The company offers free cloud storage, free expandable local storage, home security, and peace of mind without having to write a check month after month. The next on the list is Sauna S1. Someone asked me a question recently whether they should use the sauna or the steam room first after the gym session. Now that we think about it, no one has ever taught us on how to fully utilize the sauna and the steam room facilities. Usually we just sit in the rooms and wonder if you are able to sweat all the fats and toxics of your bodies. The new Sauna S1 is the first in the world that can retract at the touch of a button. Knowing the right way to use these rooms will get you more out of those sweat sessions while reaping some of its health benefits too. When retracted, the Sauna S1 is 60 cm and no deeper than the average closet. When extended, the Sauna S1's depth offers plenty of room to enjoy a relaxing sauna. The name says it all. At the push of a button, it takes the new Sauna S1 just 21 seconds to expand from the size of wall closet to a ready-to-go sauna. In this way, the EMU technology ensures a synchronous, gentle movement, so gentle in fact that it stops automatically if something gets in the way. The new Sauna S1 is designed to be a maintenance-free, so that you can simply sit back and enjoy the pleasures of your sauna for so many years to come. The next one on the list is the Bloom Frame Window. The Bloom Frame Window is an innovative window that morphs magically into your balcony within 55 seconds. Many of you worried that you may not have enough space for a balcony. The Bloom Frame Window is playing an essential role in the positive evolution of our cities. It offers the user a flexible living environment. By opening the window frame, it is possible to walk out through the facade and enjoy the outdoor space. The Bloom Frame window can be operated automatically with a single push of a button. The user will add a light, air, and space, providing him with a genuine outdoor feeling. The first model is installed in the facade of a new apartment in Amsterdam in Netherlands. The product's creators, the architecture firm Hofman de Jardin, explained the Bloom Frame window could soon become a familiar element of modern cityscape. As more architects, developers, and builders realize its considerable functional and aesthetic benefits. The next one on the list is Wessex Home Lifts. Wessex is a custom-made lifts that suits your requirements. There are 6 variants available with various configurations. The freestanding lift tracks mean there is no need for a load-bearing wall, which increases the number of possible locations for the lift in your home. In common with other domestic wheelchair lifts, freestanding tracks eliminate the need for load bearing while increasing the number of locations which can accommodate a home lift. The VM Home Lift is available in various cabin sizes and different travel heights. A lift advisor will visit your home to discuss your requirements. If you have a power cut or problem with the electrics in your home, the emergency backup system will operate the door, light and alarm and lower the lift to the ground. The next thing on the lineup is the Sleepbed 360. The new Sleep Number 360 is a smart bed intelligently senses your every move, automatically adjusting firmness, comfort and support on each side to keep you both effortlessly comfortable. Most of the people sleep too hot or too cold. That's why the new Sleep Number 360 smart bed creates your own personal microclimate. First, it gently warms your feet to help you fall asleep. Then it balances surface temperature to keep you both blissfully asleep all night. To sleep peacefully with your partner, the Partner Snore technology lets you gently raise your partner's head to help you relieve mild snoring. With lot more features, the price of the bed is $4,000. That's all for this video. Consider hitting the subscribe button for more such videos.